You can also apply image filters inside of images by using OneDrive. So over here you can see that I have an image right here, and if I were to click on this, then it opens up the image over here in preview, as you can see. And now if I were to click on edit, then I get to the image editor. So over here, if I were to go around and click on filter, then what happens is that there are different filters that I can apply to the image, as you can see right here. For example, you can go around and click on, let's say for example, burn right here, then you got the burn effect, as you can see. So for each of the effect, you can control out the intensity of the effect as well by using this slider. So you can go around and make it light or hard right here. You can go around and choose, let's say for example, dramatic cool right here and change around the level of effect. You can go around for vivid over here, or get a film look or a vintage look as well, and change around the intensity to change around how the image looks, as you can see right here. Then you can go ahead and save it out if you want to replace it, or save as a copy if you want to save this out as a copy right there, just like this. And that is how you can utilize and apply image filters as you like inside of Microsoft OneDrive. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.